Hola amigos! Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a spiced lamb backstrap with my all-time favorite quinoa salad. I absolutely love the combination of the lamb with this quinoa salad. It goes so well, but you can pretty much use any protein you like: chicken, beef, or even pork. So let's begin. Firstly, preheat your oven to 180 degrees. For the lamb backstrap, combine 4 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground sumac, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground chilli, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt and pepper in a bowl. Add 2 lamb backstraps, which weigh around 250 grams each, and coat well. Set aside in fridge to marinate until required. Next, we're going to roast our carrots and onions. Place 8 Dutch carrots with the tops trimmed and 1 thinly sliced red onion in a tray. Drizzle with 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, sprinkle 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and toss to coat. Roast for 30 minutes or until the carrots are tender. Then we're gonna set them aside to cool. Okay, so our lamb is marinating in the fridge, our carrots and onions are roasting in the oven. Now let's cook our quinoa. Quinoa is actually a seed, not a grain, and it's super nutritious. We're gonna rinse 1 cup of quinoa in a fine mesh strainer, rubbing with our fingers. This step is crucial. Rinsing removes quinoa's natural coating called saponin, which can make it taste really bitter. Combine the rinsed quinoa and 1.5 cups of cold water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and cover with a lid. Simmer for 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and let it stand for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and fluff up with a fork. Our quinoa is perfectly cooked. For our dressing, combine 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil in a bowl. Gently emulsify with a whisk and season with salt. In a big bowl, combine the quinoa, roasted onions and carrots, 1/2 cup of roughly chopped almonds, 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, and 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, all toasted. Add 1/2 bunch of chopped flat leaf parsley, 1/2 bunch of chopped mint, and 1/4 cup of chopped dried cranberries. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine. Top with 100 grams of crumbled smooth feta. Our quinoa salad is done, so let's work on our lamb. Heat a griddle pan over high heat. Add marinated lamb and cook for 2.5 minutes on each side. Loosely cover with foil and set aside to rest for 5 minutes. Our quinoa salad is done and our lamb has been resting for 5 minutes. Now let's cut it and serve it up. That's it, guys. This plate looks beautiful, but to finish it off, I always like to sprinkle a little bit of ground sumac around the edges of the plate. Now, let's give this a try. Wow, this salad is an explosion of flavors. The nuts provide incredible texture, the herbs lovely freshness, the saltiness from that feta pairs so well with the sweetness of those cranberries and the carrots and the onions, and that dressing just lifts the whole dish up. Delicious. I really hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, so please give it a try at home. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. Adios, amigos!